How to share Telegram group link. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to share your Telegram's group link with other people in Telegram or other apps, what you're simply gonna do is, first of all, launch the Telegram application on your device. After you've done that, go to the group whose link you want to send to other people. Now after you go to your group, in the top, you can see your group's name and your group's picture. Click on it. Then in the top right corner of your screen, you can see a pen icon. Go there. Now it will take you to this sort of page. From over here, you have to go to the option which says invite links, which is right over here. Then you can see your group's link. Now you can either copy it and paste it to other people, or you can directly share it to other people. So this is how you can share your Telegram's group link. So thank you for watching till the end of the video. Hope you liked it and see you in the new one.